Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to come at you today with something really awesome. We are going to build our own gel polish kit, which is absolutely fantastic. I really love the whole concept of it. And this is also going to be a great way for you to discover brand new colors and even grab some of your favorites so you have them all in one customized bundle. So to start out with, we're going to go to the Modelones website. We're going to click on bundles and save. Then we're going to click on inspired gel set bundles, and it's going to generate your bundle customization screen, and we have from cat eyes, jellies, shimmers, thermals, creams, and glitters. Now you can go ahead and create your own custom bundle from this screen. And I really like that they offer the cat eyes, the shimmers, the creams, the jellies, so you have best of both worlds when it comes to creating your own bundle, which I think is so unique and fun. So you get to mix and match from all these different categories. So if you look at here, you can pick your first four and then you get the other four colors for free, which is absolutely fantastic. So the hardest part about creating your whole bundle is gonna be what colors to select. Since we are diving into winter season, I'm gonna get some cool tones, and then I'm also thinking Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna do a little bundle that's a little bit of wintry mixed in with a little bit of Valentine's Day as well to help me get through the rest of the seasons. The moment I saw this thermal called Blind Faith right here, I knew I had to grab that for Valentine's Day. Also, the creams are absolutely a great formula. They're non-patchy and streaky. They apply amazingly, so I wanted to grab a classic white because you cannot go wrong with that perfect staple color. And then for glitters, they also have one that has hearts in it as well for Valentine's Day, but I really wanted to grab an opal one. And then I also wanted to get a good silver just to kind of just match with those cool wintry tones. So then once you complete your bundle, you go ahead and hit checkout. You're going to notice that they add a couple extra freebies in here as well. And then if you do spend over $50, which we're almost to that mark, you can save an additional. Plus, you're going to get free shipping. So I noticed I was at 46, so I figured let's grab a set of the short almond tips, which by the way, short almond are like my go-to. And then you can go ahead and type in code MODEL1s. And then once you hit apply, you're going to save an additional 20% off. So for under $50 and free shipping, you're going to get your own customized bundle. Grab some nail tips while you're in there, and then they're going to add a whole bunch of other goodies to your order. And that's a great value for under $50. And then you have your own personal fun bundle. So then today for the winter set, I figured let's just do a really simple nail look by incorporating 3 of the colors to create that perfect wintry set. And then I really wanted to show you how beautiful the cat eyes were. We're going to dive into a beautiful jelly white, and then we're going to play with that opal glitter. I really wanted you to see how these gel polishes perform so you can get a really good feel on the formula. Plus, I feel like these gel polishes are really beginner friendly. So if you're just diving into gels or looking to build up your collection, creating your own customized gel polish kit might just be the way to go, because then you're getting colors that you really want. You're just not purchasing a kit that has tons of colors in it. You're just selecting the ones that you absolutely love. So going back to this first color, you can see we have great coverage. It's giving us that icy kind of effect. But we're going to take this color to the next level. When we hit it with the magnet, you're going to see those particles just really bring this color to life. Now, this color looks good with 1 coat, but it looks even better with 2 coats, and it's going to give us that like ultimate glam effect. So I am going to cure this for 30 seconds, and then we are going to go in with a second coat here in a moment. But look, the color, just look at that magnetic shift and the color that we're getting after we cured it. It looks even better. It is definitely the perfect frozen icy nail here for our winter nail look. But again, we're going to go in with a second coat so you can really see the color payoff. Another thing I like about this formula is that it's not too thick. It's a great viscosity and consistency. It does self-level right away, which I do prefer that. And I do really like using Modelones when it comes to making press-ons because it does not add a lot of extra bulk to the nail. That is definitely something that I look forward into a formula with a gel, because if I'm adding bulk to the nail, it's really going to make that press-on nail look very not natural. So the thinner the viscosity, the better in my opinion when it comes to making your own press-ons. And another factor about Modelones is that I do like the gel formula, that it does not have that strong chemical scent to it, which is definitely definitely a plus. All right, so the second coat, and then we went ahead and hit it with that magnet. And again, this color got even better. It is by far the perfect platinum icy holographic cat eye. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color to two other nails, and then we're gonna dive into a beautiful milky white here in just a moment. All right, now that we're done with the cat eyes, we're gonna go in with that gorgeous sheer milky white color from the Jelly selection in that customized bundle. So we're gonna go in and apply this to one nail. This is gonna be kind of like our accent nail that we're gonna do a little bit of like easy nail art on top of. But the best part about this color is that it looks really good with one coat. I just really like that perfect milky base color, which is great for just honestly all over color. Otherwise, it's a great base color to implement nail art on top of as well. So you can see with that first coat, it's just like that perfect sheer jelly milky white. But when you go ahead and go in with a second coat, for me, it just seals the deal for me. It's the perfect milky opacity, and you don't have like that sheerness to it. You just have that beautiful natural milky white color. So definitely go in with two coats if you're looking for like that perfect, just pure milky white color. Two coats was definitely key when it came to this color. So I went ahead and cured, and now we're moving on to that opal color. Now, opal, it's giving me all the feels. I really like a good opal because you're going to get so many different looks with this depending on what way the light hits it. Plus, you can use it not only as an all-over color like we're going to incorporate here, but you can also use it as a topper. So with one coat, you're getting just a beautiful dusting of opal flakes, which this will look good over any color just to give it just like that extra glam touch. But I went ahead and cured it, and we're going to go in with a second coat, and then this is really what's going to give you a more just beautiful pure opal effect by layering the different opal flakes. Plus, this formula is very thin, so you can even go in with a third layer if you want to build up that intensity. But just the way the light hits it, you're getting just like a pink color shift. You're getting a beautiful like gold, kind of like a yellow. It's definitely giving you some blues as well. It's overall a really beautiful opal. So I did cure, and I did go in with a third coat because I just wanted to show you what it looks like with a third coat. And to me, the layers were very thin, and that third coat just totally brought this nail to life. But I'm absolutely loving this set and how this is coming along so far. This set looks good just like this, but I want to implement a little bit of easy nail art. So I'm going to take a lint-free wipe with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That's going to take that tacky adhesion layer off the nail to really help the nail stickers that we're going to be applying stick completely flat to the nail. So I'm just going to go in with these really fun Christmas trees. I feel like even though they're Christmas trees, I feel like you can even utilize this not only for the holiday season, but this is a really fun wintry nail look. So I'm just going to show you my sticker placement just on one nail. And if you're looking for more of a depth tutorial, definitely check out my other videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and line up this Christmas tree right in the middle of the nail. Now this sticker also has a little gem stone right in the middle of that Christmas tree. It did fall off, but that's okay because we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So I am just gonna go ahead and take a silicone tool and just really rub that sticker onto the nail to make sure it is completely flat. And then I'm gonna add some of these really cute pastel kind of pink stars. I'm gonna add a purple one, and then we're gonna go ahead and just seal everything in. But incorporating stickers is just a game changer for me. It makes applying nail art and just customizing your nail set just to add a little touch of you really easy when you incorporate nail stickers. Now to go ahead and seal in those stickers, I'm going to do a layer of that gel base top coat from Modelones. And then once I apply the gel base, I am not going to cure it. We're going to go in with a wax tip tool, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up that gemstone and put it right back on top of that tree. And then once I get that stone exactly where I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and just flash cure that stone really quick so it does not slide around or anything like that. And then once I go ahead and flash cure that, I am going to stick this nail back into the lamp, cure for a full 30 seconds, and then to seal up the nail look today, we're going to finish off with the Modelones gel top coat. I do really like the formula of the gel base and gel top coat. It is the perfect consistency, especially when you are making press-ons. So once you're done applying that to the entire nail, cure for a full 60 seconds. And then that is it for our set today. I went ahead and did the rest of the stickers off camera. I just really wanted to show you how fun it is and easy to create your own custom gel polish kit from Modelones. And I really wanted you to get a good feel on how these gel polishes perform, which this set is absolutely fun for winter. There are so many colors to choose from when it comes to making your own set. Also, Modelones is celebrating their 10-year anniversary. So if you are looking to get your glam journey on with your nails, definitely check out Modelones and create your own custom set. Don't forget to take advantage of when you spend $50 and use code Modelones, you can save an additional 20% off, and that's also going to give you free shipping. So if you make your own custom bundle, let me know what colors you picked. I would love to check those out. Stay tuned. We are going to dive into some more of these colors here to create a really fun Valentine's Day mani coming up in just a few weeks. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.